Original bad man, you don't know.
It's VALE.
Standard. Body smoking like.
Oh, good morning. Guess what arrived? Ho 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 ho. That's correct. Espresso. So it's really quite sad, actually. This is my third time this has happened that I opt for courier, so the same day delivery. Because I order for everyone's house, like I order for my mother-in-law's house and my sister-in-law's house and my house, like people need their coffee. And this third time it hasn't come, so I called them. They were like, oh yes, the shipment hasn't even been packed yet. I was like, excuse me? It hasn't been packed 3 days later. It was meant to be delivered the same day. Do you want to play with a ding dong? Mum got him like this old-fashioned toy he really likes. Hey, look this way. Excuse me. Do you want to play with a little ding dong? Let's show everybody. You know, these old-fashioned toys. Do you like a ding dong? Sitting up, sitting up, sitting up. What? Oh, hey, come on. You want to do your sitting up practice? There's your teeth. What? 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 Mm-hmm. What? Oh, are you okay? Oh, no. It's a bit sunny. Might move you. Well, they're already open, yeah. Okay, so I want you to open.
I said that one.
Put them in here, okay? So you open this.
A couple of weeks.
Yes. Blurred out. Will is bending over in his boxer shorts. Really? Move. Okay, now that one. Oh no, it's the other end, Baba. It's the other end, baby. It's this end. That end. Okay. Yep. Okay. 2. One more for Daddy. All right. Little helper.
I'd like to take my relationship with my viewers today.
What? Your viewers already think you're disgusting.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. One of the green and Mummy wants.
Hey, there's more.
Then can we put peanut butter on it?
I did leave the peanut butter.
I put more in it.
Okay, I need more. I need purple and I need black.
Red.
Yep. And then that will be full, won't it? You're such a good helper. He's such a good helper. He put out the washing for me yesterday.
Merci.
This and this and this.
But baby,
I want
you do it
eggs.
this end, this gold end, okay?
Oh,
Correct. Yeah, kind of. What do you think, sister? Oh, what a good job, Mussy. Oh, to the top.
and more.
Don't
Daddy,
Yes, baby?
I want sandwich.
Okay.
I want eggs and sandwich.
Please.
I want eggs and sandwich.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Please, Daddy.
I'll make you the best eggs and sandwiches.
Ever. Okay, good morning, Starbucks. It's a little bit hectic up here this morning. We have new
I want
coffee.
Starbucks.
You want Starbucks? Thanks to Mussy, we have new capsules. Hallelujah.
Where's the plane? In the bowl. The plane's in the bowl.
You're getting egg and sandwich right now, so please just wait.
You get the bread bowl?
Yep.
Sandwich.
Yeah! Eggy sandwich! The world has become so negative, okay? Ridiculously negative. The title of this vlog is a comment that I just got by a viewer. I don't even know if she's a subbie, but she just came at me a little bit again about my Senrev bag, and the part that really stuck with me is that she said, enjoy your free bag. So just suggesting like, oh, like so much negativity, like, you know, not just enjoy your bag, enjoy your free bag, like far out. Talk about passive aggressive. It's not nice. Like, there's nothing nice about that. There's nothing nice about her writing, it's a downgrade bag. I would never downgrade. You know, there were some amazing comments in that video that I was just so stoked with. Some people wrote like, thank you so much for doing, you know, a brand that's not massive luxury brand, a Chanel, a Louis Vuitton, an Hermes, this or that. And it made me just like go, yes, like I want to go now and do like a massive contemporary haul and, you know, see what's great work bags and see what's great, you know, what else is great out there that might suit some of my other viewers. Okay, Willie just made me a nice latte.
Let's get away from that.
Beautiful latte.
One, I don't have the room. Two,
You don't
Thank
have the
you.
volume.
I shouldn't be drinking.
No.
I'm not a business like you.
But, alright.
Okay,
Because I don't send anyone in.
we have to keep working. So we're sourcing today for the work we did yesterday, if you saw that vlog. Thank you so much. You just said yes. You just want to show the vlog. Will, this is a secret.
My
Will,
lawyer just asked me to buy his old printer.
Will thinks this is his lawyer. There's a
And
really
I
famous
think-
movie in Australia called The Castle.
And
If you've
I
seen
think
it.
Every time I think of my lawyer and his printer, I think this is him.
What does the lawyer in court say? It's, what's the word he says?
Sorry?
It's a lawyer say in court, that the word that he uses over and over.
It's the Marbo. It's
The Marbo, that's it.
it's
That's what he is. This is what our lawyer's like.
it's not like that.
Fucking phone. What the fuck is that? I cleared tray 3, F3. What the fuck is that?
That's so rude, but that is our lawyer.
Fucking time!
That is so much like him. He's just trying to get us to take his old printer as well. It's Marbo. Why? Why are you so excited to see me?
I was expecting to see the little rascal.
Yeah, I know. I was like, she's not here.
Everyone just
Will and I, with people come up to us and walk straight past us.
Generally,
Yeah. Yeah. See?
Whereabouts?
Where are the babies? Where are the babies? Oh, it's just you and Will? Will dumped them at his mum's house.
How many people? Like yesterday, I went to see my waitress at the back.
The
Are
Grating
you?
cheese. She's like,
Yeah.
are the kids here? I go, oh, no, they're not. I go,
You look super fresh. You look like just vibing and alive.
I woke up at like 10:30 and I was like, oh my god, it's 10:30.
yeah, well, yeah,
I was
that
like, holy
Oh
shoot.
my god, I woke up at 5. It was like, it's 5. Zaki, sleep. So we slept in the armchair together.
Aww.
Yeah. I was like, that's why. That's why I bought this, so we can snuggle together. It was so cute. I'm going to put it on this vlog actually.
in that section because I've got the guy. I'm pretty sure I've got him going.
They're unbelievable. It's just the most massive website. Just the website.
Is it the exact one?
Exactly.
Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. And
speaking Serbian on the vlog.
Ako još uvijek sam tamo, onda ću...
Dvajden!
Onda ću se vratim pa onda će opet idemo. On ima utakmicu u 7 sati.
All my Serbian subbies, you can translate in the comments if you like.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, that's English.
Aj, vidimo se. Ciao.
Ciao? Well, I mean, how boring. That's just bye.
No, his wife's recording me.
This is how mature my 40-year-old husband is. I'm trying to talk to him and I tell him he's never... Oh, I tell him he's never wired in and he doesn't focus, so he's pretending to ignore me. Bye.
Can't say that. Can't
Okay. Bye. See you. I'm leaving then. If you're wired in. Okay, will you call me? Bye. Nightmare. A nightmare. He's a grown man. He acts like an 8-year-old. Seriously? I think my problem is that I try to get everything in first and then I get in. Whereas I should probably come, put everything down and then get in. Just too anxious. Too anxious, huh? I think so. Okay, what are we doing? We're going home, okay. I gotta pick up stuff. Ah! Man. I hate having to check in on, like, the father of your kids. It sucks. And my one gets really angry.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Just to double check, in the baby bag for Zaki, did you add his bottle?
No, I didn't. I'm gonna take one for baby.
A milk bottle?
Yeah.
I don't know if I have one for Mother John.
Okay, then I'll go and pick one up on my way to first.
You'll buy a new pigeon?
I said I'll pick one up on home.
Oh, okay. Well then I will, you didn't put Mussie's water bottle in either, did you?
I took one of those little orange bottles and I'll fill it up a baby.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that's cute. Okay. Alright, just wanted to double check, but I can prepare all of that for you.
What is all of that? It's just one water,
Well, one bottle and I'll
milk
give
bottle.
you... Well, one milk bottle and I'll give you Mussie's Camelback.
What? Camelback?
Camelback. Drink bottles. The new ones I bought.
Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that cool shit, yeah. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh.
Okay. Why do I always yell that at you guys? It's like, okay, we have an update. Okay. The update is now, it's now like one of those long days. What feels like it's been going for a long time. Now we are heading to the post office to post. Camille, your handbag's coming. Yay! I'm so excited. So to post Camille's handbag to her, which is great. And to post a couple of other things. I had other stuff that I've got to ship off for work and whatnot. And yeah, that's about it. Will has the babies, both of them, and they're at his sister's house. So they'll be at my sister-in-law's till probably after dinner, I'd say. So I'm gonna go home, relax, have a bath, watch some backed up videos on YouTube that I haven't watched. You guys always send me your videos and I love it and I watch them. So always do that, okay? But I'm gonna say bye on this vlog here so that I can just get going. But I will, of course, see you in tomorrow's vlog. Okay guys, bye.
Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to